Got Johnny some new headlights. Let me get up. New headlights for the Fit. Look at these.
Nice. Or skis.
Or skis if you're confused. These are Johnny's headlights now. They're not too hot. So.
Oh, wow. That's going to be a big difference. So
yeah.
That's what you're taking out, that's what you're putting in?
Yeah.
That's how it works, too. When you buy new parts.
Take it out, you put it in. This one is way worse. You can't even see.
What are you talking about? That's fine.
We got to take a before picture before we forget. So me, I would struggle and use a flathead, but Johnny uses the proper tool. Doesn't break anything, and that's that.
Except for that one.
Except for that one. Well, we got new ones, so we'll be fine. This isn't, I don't have to come off. Oh, so you take this off, take the bumper off, and it'll be like 4 bolts, just like a normal headlight. That's it.
That's it, Poppy.
On the Fit Friday.
I think I'm breaking all of them, actually.
You're breaking all of them? Come on.
Just kidding. Susanna Hayes is making a guest appearance today.
She's the one who curbed her wheels a couple weeks ago.
What?
It's the one who curbed her wheels a couple days ago. It's nothing to be proud of.
Wow, this is...
Simple?
Got a lot of room right here. That's enough for an intercooler.
Yeah, buddy. Did they think about that? Or are they just trying to be like American classic cars? Whoa, whoa. There's gotta be something more.
Yeah, there is. I just gotta get behind there, but I just
Yo,
gotta do
new
that.
car? This gives me anxiety when you have a new car and you have to take a bumper off. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm very, very, very
Imagine if we had to take the ILX bumper off, I'd throw up. There's probably like 8,000 things you have to do. It's so confusing. You probably have to have like a computer to take the bumper. Because there's all the sensors in it to sense probably, right? I mean, bumpers are usually held on by 2 screws and a bunch of fucking clips.
Do you have all the sensors in this car too?
What?
No, the space model. This has literally nothing. Doesn't have cruise control.
Sensors.
Like, you know, my car goes...
No, I have a Honda.
We got another special guest today. Your car is a Honda.
It is.
Juicy. Johnny put these headlights in probably about an hour. Yeah, he didn't take off his bumper or anything, but we didn't want to break all the other clips. These are, I got him depot headlights with the eyeliner. Same as I run in the Prelude.
Doesn't matter if the eyeliner, the base model fits come with that.
I know, but like, let me show you guys.
They don't care about that car?
They love this car. This is why they're here. Yeah, depot eyeliners, yo. I've had these headlights for a couple years now and they're still really good. But you know what? You can't beat 1980s glass, boys. That's it. It's Johnny's birthday today. Since it's his birthday, let him crack open a can of happiness. Well, glad you enjoyed the Fit.
And I know
Honda
you guys
Fit
are gonna
Fridays.
comment. They're gonna comment and say you should have took your bumper off, but
Woo!
I like to hack my way through fixing Hondas. Yeah. I could have took the bumper off, but no, I didn't want to.
Really didn't make it much. You just would have had more access to those other bolts, but whatever. Honda Fit Fridays. Comment below what else you want us to do to this car. I'm claiming maybe a sway bar or something like that. Maybe some...
We should put it on bags.
Yeah, we should bag this like the V-dubs.
And we should go,
Bag it like a V-dub.
and we should go like 15x9 wheels.
Dubbers. 14 by 10s. Wow, what a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees. Yeah. Cook you your birthday dinner. Have another beer or two. And wagon.
We haven't been drinking since Friday.
I know. I know. It's your birthday weekend. You can live your life.
Oh man.
Live your life, Johnny. Ain't no laws, baby. Ain't no laws. Look at this. These old ass nasty. Looks so good. Love you, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. All right. We need to adjust Johnny's headlights.
Once I open up the hood.
It's pretty good light. We were getting low on windshield washer fluid. So there's a little
Notch.
little adjustment right there. Oh yeah, it's going up.
Up or down?
Up. I think you're good.
No way. Then that button needs to come. I'm not even sure. Let's just get LEDs. Line hell out of
Just
it.
get HIDs. Oh man, I'm tired. They're even, yo.
Oh, yeah, even? Yeah, they're getting there.
They look even to me. Johnny, they're perfect. Well,
Happy with them.
enjoy your Honda Fit Friday with these.
No, first
What?
chip.
Well,
This car sees a lot of highway miles.
one of many.
Maybe we should get the New Zealand plastic covers.
I don't know about that.
New Zealand, mate.
If you guys like these Honda Fit videos, you know,
Ooh, that
comment
says it all
below.
right there. Intelligent VTEC.
not real VTEC, but
Look at that powerhouse right there. That intake. Actually, I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe next week we'll do a little in-cab ride and how this bitch sounds. This little bit's good. It's a little bitty. We gotta do an oil change on this.
yeah, I gotta do oil change on the Accord too.
We'll do oil change today.
Oil change on the Accord is so easy. Literally turn the wheel and boom, put your whole body in there and get that. Any J series has a really.
Yeah, but look at the oil filters right
What's
there.
that noise?
Someone's killing a raccoon. Look at the oil filters. It's right there.
Yeah, that is actually more convenient than a H series
Yeah, I found it more
or a
convenient.
D series because I think the wagon one's in the back too, which kind of sucks.
No, next to the alternator and everything else.
Oh, it's a nightmare back there. It's one good thing about the H series. Everything was in the front of the block.
Yeah, because I couldn't put anywhere else.
All right. You want to see more Honda Fit videos?
Of course they do.
Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna go to sleep because it's getting late.
Oh, because we already eat food.
Yeah.
First 30.
All right.
Look, I got it. Sugar.
Sugar. Coronavirus. What's up?
Tell you what, the coronavirus can't catch me in the fit.